Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very heavy package from Glam. Oh, well, that was easy. Oh my goodness. Look at these colors. I'm like, okay, I like this one, I like that one. Okay. Gotta collect. Is this okay, hold on. When I say this is literally my favorite color from Light Elegance, this is called Talk Dirt to Me. Like literally my color. And this is called Eggnog Latte. Please. Oh, I need to mix that up just a smidge. I probably don't need, it's fine. Like if that drops in there, it's totally fine. Y'all, this is a tiny bit more gray, but I'm literally just staring at it. Let me pull these out before I like lose my mind here. Okay, hold on. This is from their Windy Layover collection. And I actually really like the name for it. So let's get to swatching, because I really know that's all you want. So let's get to swatching, okay? I mean, you guys know I'm going to start with the Eggnog Latte. Nice, super thin formula. I'm so happy about that. Because I am so pasty, I have to be careful with light colors because I'm also very red undertone. So the fact that this is like, I mean, right? Next one is Honey Mustard, which, you know, I'm looking at this, I'm like, hey, that looks like honey mustard. I am here for a mustard yellow. I don't know if I have any mustard yellows. I may have one, and I think it's from Light Elegance. I think it's a buttercream, because I didn't have any mustard yellows, but one coat coverage on a yellow. One coat. Spice Cider is next. This is screaming fall color to me. I'm obsessed. This collection is on point for me. I feel like the last two collections from them really got me. I know that's really dramatic, but it was their Home Alone collection, like that last collection, and then the one before that, I literally forget what it was called, but it was so good. This is Oh Happy Day. This is right up my alley as well. Okay, so what I really like about this one, so I was thinking this one might be a little bit more like army type green, but it's a little bit bluer, but it's still green. Does that make sense? Like, I don't know if I'm making any sense. I feel like I'm at a loss for words right now. Like, I feel like my mind is just a jumble. So this again is Oh Happy Day. Winter Teal. Can't wait to put these next to each other to see if I was like, oh, it's just a dark teal. If I'm losing my mind. Okay, super pretty. Dude, I'm loving this form. I don't know if they changed their formula or just some of the older colors that I got. Like maybe I picked older colors. Because I know they have like polished thinner, but like, it is just speaking to me. Blue Monday. I need this on my nails right now because mood, for real. These are very different colors for me, as it, like, I mean, look how good this pigment is. Like, I don't have these colors in my collection, so these are definitely filling in quite a few gaps. And you know what I really like about this blue? It's almost like, do I hold it up to a purple and is it purple? Do I hold it up to a blue? Is it blue? I mean, it's definitely, in my mind, blue. but it has that purple undertone. But this specific type blue looks really good with my skin tone. Do purple, which is Old Habits. Okay, so this is like the counterpart to that blue, but in a purple form. It's very rich. Like, I mean, look at that. I mean, I'm sure you guys can see how rich these are. This overall collection, so cohesive for me. I don't have many purples either. Like, let me grab that blue real quick. See, they're like counterparts, but can you tell that this one has a little bit of a purple undertone? I hope that I'm not crazy. This is a pretty maroon. Wine o'clock. I'm with it. I'm here for it today. Either this was a really good day for me to be filming for this, or it just hit the spot. Cause like I keep thinking, man, is the next one gonna be better than this one? Cause they're all so good. Now I might do, like the other ones were one coat coverage, like really one coat coverage. This one has a slight, like, no one would ever notice, especially on like a natural nail. I'm not even in frame, but there is a slight demarcation for some of the strokes, so a little bit of see-throughness there. I don't know if you're gonna tell on camera, you might be able to, but like specifically right there. So I would do a second coat on that one for sure. And this is Very Berry, kind of like the perfect name for this. Some stuff going on in my head that I feel like I need to get out with some designs. Like I'm looking at these colors and I'm feeling it. Like, at what point do you have nothing else to say except for buy it? Because I'm obsessed. Normally, I will say that I don't particularly care for every color in a collection. Like, that is pretty standard for me. However, this one I think is gonna be a 10 out of 10 for me. A nice dark gray here. I didn't tell you the name. The name is Reset. Okay, this needs to go on my nails now because that's what I need to do in life right now. Okay. Beautiful gray. And this has a cool undertone, not warm. So it's very cool base. So for me, I have a red type undertone. All right, I'm gonna have to break this out in sections because I can't hold more than 5 strategically in my hand. And now I realize that these are backwards because when I said, anyway, we're here. So these are, so this is Eggnog Latte, Honey Mustard, Spice Cider, Oh Happy Day, and Winter Teal. Although I wanted to compare these two. Like I said, that's definitely more green. And then obviously I'm gonna have to mattify them because this collection specifically is going to look killer matte. And you guys know that this color specifically, so this is Spice Cider, and this came out 2 years ago. I mean, that's pretty close. Yeah, Curry On from Light Elegance, and this actually, when it's cured, gets a little bit lighter. So these are pretty close in real life when Curry On is cured. So I'm ecstatic to have a color that can go on top. Here is the second half. And again, this collection is just, like, they're all so cohesive. And then this is them matte. And you guys know, I love me a good matte. So I like to do these on the back so I can see what they would look like matte. And yes, This is a killer collection. If you like anything in this collection, I highly recommend getting it. The formula was just on point, super thin, and just so pigmented. Again, the only one that I think you may need a second coat is this guy, which is Wine O'Clock. And even then, like, you can, it's fine with one coat, just would be better with two. And I took the Velvet Matte Top Gloss to do the underside to show you matte, which is my favorite top gloss in a matte form, alongside the Light Elegance one, but that is a one that everybody can purchase. So, guys, I'm obsessed. And I feel like I said that last time about the Home Alone collection. Like, I think I introed that, saying that, literally saying that. I want to thank Matt & Glam for sending this to me because I'm obsessed. And I do have a discount code with them, so I will go ahead and link it below and on the screen here. It is for 30% off, but let's be real here, they're usually running a sale better than my discount, but I want to share it with you anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.